A local school system wants to make sure parents are aware of an online challenge that could cause children to harm themselves. The Arundel County Public School System sent this letter to parents about the so-called Momo challenge. A viral character on apps like Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp entices children to try challenges that involve self-harm. Kids are then told to upload proof they completed the challenge to those apps. There have been many reports that this challenge is a hoax. However, the school system is still urging parents to speak with their children about their online activities.